Hello everyone, this is Mr. Taylor. I'm going to be doing an overview of two littleBits projects. The first one is a vehicle project. The parts you're going to be using for this are the DC motor, light sensor, wire, and power. Here's an overview of the power, the wire, the DC motor, and you'll be using a light sensor as well. Step one, please connect your battery or your power. Then you're going to connect your wire. Then your wire you're going to connect using your light sensor to another wire, and then your DC motor. Now, while using this, if you notice your DC motor starting to run a little slow, switch out your 9-volt battery, which is right here. It doesn't matter if it's not a littleBits. A 9-volt battery is a 9-volt battery. You can have Energizer, Duracell, or any other off-brand that you can find. Now, you're going to use some cardboard or whatever materials you can use to make this vehicle. You need 3 wheels, a platform, and whatever you can use for a axle to connect these. So you can be one full axle or 2 separate axles, and you can use tape, staples, etc. And then you're going to connect the motor to the front wheel, which with the light sensor you can power it to have it power on or off based off the light. And you can try experimenting and switching that out with other parts as well, such as maybe you can have lights on it, whatever you would like to make it more yours. And that project, the 3-wheeler project, looks a little like this when you're all said and done. Now, with that project, you can do a lot of cool things. The next thing you're going to do is the vibrating robot. Here's an overcap of that. Alright, back to our presentation. You're going to need some littleBits here, the motor, power supply, and your wire. Make sure the plastic snaps are firmly connected. Go ahead and connect your power supply and your battery, and then your first wire, and then your motor. Now, you're going to need a thin piece of cardboard or whatever other material you can use, and then with some paper clips for legs. You can use, if you have foam board, use it, or Legos, or Connects. You can use toothpicks, and you can either tape them on, glue things on, stab it into it, whatever you're using that works best. And then you're going to have your motor, and you're going to attach something to offset it. And you want this thing to be a little bit longer because it's going to make the motor be off balance, which will cause it to vibrate. And then you'll attach it to the end of it. Now, you're all finished, and you can have your motor move, your little robot. You can also try swapping out the motor with the buzzer and see how that works. And that's an overview of what it looks like and your instructions. Now, when you're doing this project, ask yourself, what could you do to make changes to this project? How could you hack this project? Could we add other little bits? If so, what would you add? And these are some questions that will help you explore more with your little bits and try different things out. You can change designs of these projects to make them more yours and experiment more and dig deeper into your own learning. Okay? Well, thank you and take care.